Hi, my name is Bernel Cano Lumantao, and today my topic is all about the greenhouse effect. First is what is greenhouse effect?
The meaning of greenhouse effect is a progressive warming up the Earth's surface due to the high concentration of man-made carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. A concentration of carbon dioxide works like a glass panel of greenhouse, allowing short-wave incoming solar radiation to come up but preventing the long-wave heat to radiate out. The natural outcome is a warmer atmosphere.
This is the some example of greenhouse effect. Next is greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases at first is carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, oxon, chlorofluorocarbon, and water vapor.
Next is what is the major greenhouse effect gases?
The major greenhouse gases is the gases with the properties of greenhouse are known as greenhouse gases. Some gases in Earth's atmosphere, for example, water, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, has very special property. These called greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, halogen gases, nitrogen oxide, methane, and etc. They do not absorb the visible light from the sun, but they absorb in.
Next is what is the source of greenhouse gases?
The sources of greenhouse gases is the thermal power situation based on the fossil fuels main called the mineral oil emulating and carbon dioxide. Numerous factories, automobiles, deforestation, and burning of fossil fuels.
Next is what is the effect of greenhouse effect?
Effect of greenhouse effect is first is global warming and climate change, rise of sea level. Third is worsening health effect, disruption of the water cycle, changing forests and natural areas, challenges to the agriculture and the food supply, the effect of the ozone layer, and the last one is effect on the oceanic climate change.
Global warming and climate change. What is global warming and climate change? Next is what is the effect of greenhouse effect?
How to control greenhouse gases effect? First is alternate source of energy RDB use, advanced and efficient technology for reducing emission and fossil fuels, reforestation on a large scale, water logging should be avoided, reduction of the use of CFC and carbon market. We have to reduce up the use of CFC.
Next is what is the consequence of greenhouse effect?
A consequence of greenhouse effect is a result of change of climate has occurred which states that suitability of the life consequences are follow. First is melting of polar ice caps and glaciers along with the thermal expansion of water. More than thoughts the flood, more terrible storm, many more hot days, more disease like malaria and dengue. Impact of the ecosystem will change the crop production potential of the region, especially the Asia, Africa, South, and the Central Africa. count, forests may disappear, a reduction of biodiversity, billions of people will be affected by problem drinking water supply station end up protected the rise of sea level between 9 cm to 29 cm by the South Asia region with the 1/6 of the world production greatly.